We went through at least 4 failed CI type implementations in our business before we landed on Redzone. The Redzone team was really good at coming in and showing us how this time it was going to be different. And the key thing with it was coaching.
That's one of the biggest differentiating points of Redzone is leveraging that coaching.
It demonstrates a focus on resolving manufacturing issues right away and recognizing the urgency that exists in a manufacturing environment.
The Redzone app was extremely easy to start using. It was no different than using our cell phones.
You can get on there and play with it and figure it out like that. A lot of those things that do the same thing that Redzone do, they're not user-friendly.
I had one gentleman that runs one of our lines come up to me and say, he's like, I always knew I did good. Now you guys see it real time. The value you're getting out of it and the teams you are building, forming, utilizing, it's just unbelievable. And we're actually doing bonuses on their check when we're hitting targets of 90% dough attainment.
Anything you need to do in an operational standpoint to make your process better, there's a tool within Redzone to help you achieve that. So my job is to figure out how to make more with less and get more at the bottom line. And that's the tool that this is. I don't think there's anybody that touches what Redzone does.
It's definitely grown the communication from the floor.
The morale is much higher, the ownership is there, and we have everyone on the same page headed in the same direction.
Everyone feels heard, everyone feels seen, and I think that's a great part of it.
The quality team's just embracing it. Like, they're all hungry to get it. They're hitting checks or removing paper off the floor.
First SQF audit with Redzone. This year he asked for 2 dates. So I sat down, 2 minutes later, I had it all. My audit concerns were done.
It's really improved our entire operation. The difference between 80% turnover and 50% turnover this year is going to save us almost $500,000.
Our turnover was nearly 100%. And this year we're down to 20% turnover.
When I'm asked, like, why did your number go from 9 to 1 in injuries, I say it's the communication, and that all ties back to Redzone.
Our profit margins have went up 10% in the past 2 years because of this program.
Empire Bakery, we've had a 22% productivity uplift.
So our line 4 has gone from 15% in Q1 to 46% in real time today.
That difference annualized is about $2.5 million.
I walk in and I say I want to spend $13 million on a new bakery, and you know something? I got it approved in 45 minutes through the board. That's power.
It is unbelievable how much you could change the culture in your facility by applying this.